Okay, guys, I want you to do this if you finish your project early. This is an extra credit task, and this is that's extra credit. So if you finish early, I want you to work on this. Basically, what's going to happen in this one, if you flip to the back, it says each college aligns themselves with similar universities and different conferences. Many conferences claim to be the best, but let's see how your predictions stack up. Find which conference each of your Elite Eight teams are from, then make a circle graph showing the conferences that are represented in the Elite Eight. Basically, what a conference is a bunch of schools will get together with schools that they're similar to, like UVA and Virginia Tech are very similar schools, and they're also very close. So what these schools will do is they will join up with other schools that are very similar to them and close to them, and they'll say, we want to play you guys all the time. Now these conferences start to think they're the best, and this one's better than this one, and so basically what we're going to do is see which conference had the highest representation in your Elite Eight. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your bracket and find your Elite Eight. Your Elite Eight are these four teams here in the middle and these four teams here in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are your Elite Eight. What you're going to do is you are going to go to Google and you're going to figure out what conference each of those Elite Eight teams are from. So we'll start with Duke. We'll say, and you may already know. If you already know, great. If you don't, we'll say, what conference is Duke in? And theirs is the Atlantic Coast Conference. So what you'll want to do on your page is you're going to want to make a little chart here, and ACC stands for Atlantic Coast Conference, and we'll put a tally. My next team is Michigan State, so now I'm gonna search what conference is Michigan State in. You can do for basketball if you want. Which conference? The Big Ten Conference. So over here, Big Ten, and I'll put a tally. You should have a chart with 8 tallies. 8 tallies, and then once you're done with that, you'll have your 8 tallies. You'll find your percentages. Remember, we use part over whole. And then you'll have to find the angles. So let's see what you remember about that and how to use your protractor for this circle. This is extra credit, so if you don't get to it, there's no penalty, but obviously if you do get to it, then that's great. Let me know if you need help for this one, guys.